welcome to TT's Corner. There have been a bunch of stuff I see happening on the social media spaces, and I'm going to try and speak about a couple of them quick and fast because I've been off the internet for a minute. First, I want to say congratulations to Councillor Julian Chang for turning away from the PNP and sign on to the JLP. Yes, Councillor Chang, you have done the right thing because as we can see, you were not respected and you were treated badly in Westmoreland because those people have no respect for women. So you are now on the winning team, and I want to say welcome and congratulations. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Next up, Daryl Vaz won in court against a loudmouth Dayton Campbell, and it was proven how much he's a liar. He lied on Daryl that Daryl killed Miss Dianne, young Dianne Smith, and it has been proven that Daryl was away in America in college. So I don't know how somebody can stay in Florida and kill somebody in Jamaica. But lying Dayton Campbell said it, and he also said that Daryl wanted to assassinate Prime Minister Holness, and turns out to be another lie. So he have to pay $1.5 million. I wish it was more. As Mr. Vaz said, it's not about the money. So let's move on from there. Now, recently, fast forward, recently, I see, I heard a voicemail from the PNP stating they're trying to muddy up the CEO of NaRRA, and they're willing to hurt that project, even though it is to help the people who are suffering from the most hit with Melissa. And the thing about it is majority of the people worst hit are members of the opposition party, and they are willing to hurt those people, and mess with NaRRA and hurt those people just for the country to fail and for them, the PNP, to take office. How can you say you love the people, but you are doing every single thing within your reach, you're trying to reach, you're doing everything to dismantle the country? And shame on you. Shame on you, PNP. You are willing to throw gasoline on the country because you are not running it. And that's a goddamn shame. I see people on social media. Next up, Prime Minister. Rewind a little. The Prime Minister went to the World Cup finals. And I see a lot of PNP having a hullabaloo over it. Oh, he went to World Cup while the Jamaican people are suffering. He went to World Cup and we don't know if he used the money that was given to the country. He went to World Cup and there was no reason for him to go to World Cup and all these things. And the people are suffering, and a lot of women coming out and quarreling with the Prime Minister. So most of these women quarreling, oh, we're suffering, whatever. They're quarreling with the Prime Minister. And some of them have 2, 3, 4 baby father. So they don't go after their baby father like them class the Prime Minister. Them baby father were not giving them not even $1. And them not going on like that. Them zip it when it comes on to their baby father. Them don't come out and ask baby father for pick the support. But them have strength with the Prime Minister. Go argue with the baby father. When I quarrel, say when I have no money and when I suffer, go look work. When I quarrel, when I pick them, can the baby father them go court? Because I know a lot of all have 5 baby father, 5 pick for 5 for a man. You know how far that could be if you carry the whole of the people, give daddy them go court? Una collect money. Una collect maintenance. So una want money and hammer the Prime Minister. When the Prime Minister left to go wherever, somebody is there looking after the country. So it's not like him leave the country and left everything just like that. No, there's things put in place. So even if he's not there, someone is overseeing. Second of all, you people is saying, oh, never there for go. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Because I hope you guys remember that Jamaica will be one of the hosts for the FIFA Women World Cup. I want to know if you remember that. So if Jamaica is going to be the host, don't you think FIFA is going to invite the Prime Minister to come? And that would be a good time for the Prime Minister going to visit so you can get to see the head of FIFA and they can have discussions. You guys don't know what took place behind the scenes. Jamaica is going to be a host for the Female World Cup. And when the Female World Cup, don't you think Jamaica economy is going to be helped by that? Because people are going to come from all walks of life, all different countries to come and visit Jamaica to watch the games. So the Prime Minister have to think smart. And I wouldn't be surprised if the Prime Minister got a pass to go there and he didn't have to pay nothing. So for all of you people is having this big old boo-ha-ha over something as simple, get a life. Get a life. You people just see orange in everything you do. You just cannot look and see Jamaica. Election was gone September 3rd. So the Prime Minister is not just thinking about JLP. He's thinking about the entire country. Whatever he's doing, it's for the Jamaican people, not just green. He's thinking about both green and orange. We are one Jamaica. September 3rd is gone. But I noticed that the PNP cannot get over September 3rd. It's time for you to let it go. You lost. You lost. And the Prime Minister wants to focus on the entire Jamaica. Not just the JLP. Please, people, just stop it. Just stop it. Just give the government a chance to do the things that is needed. And as I stated previously, NaRRA is to help everyone. So, one, the people on that voice note, shame on you. Shame on you. You are willing to let your brothers and sisters in the West suffer just because the PNP is not in power. You are so disgusting. And I hope and I pray that the opposition leader gets some chutzpah and get rid of you people. But then again, we don't know if he's a part of it. But I would hope that he will grow some balls and stand up and says, you know what, I don't want you people around because you're making things worse. And I am for the betterment of Jamaica. So everyone, that's my little 2 cents. And you know, if anything else and I hear and I can put my little 2 cents in, I definitely put my 2 cents in. But let's unite for one Jamaica.